C-double-O, C-double-O, C-double-O-L, C-double-O-L, Mac. Cool, McCool. Danger is his business. The owl is flying high, frightening to the eye. The rattler is nearby, Cool is on the fly. Danger is his business. Mac half's back in town. Yeah, for Cool a crown. Boxes are a-poppin', Cool is kept a-hoppin'. Danger is his business. That's Hurricane Harry, with all the wind he can carry. Cool the coolest.
Danger is my business.
What is that? Look,
Hey, look up in the sky. Look up. Hey, look at the bird. Hey, you are bird.
look up in the sky.
Bird. There, wait. I'm gonna go. The bank. Hey, that bird's all right. Look, the bird.
It's for the bank. They're headed for the bank.
Hey, they're heading for the bank. Mysterious blackout paralyzes city again. Fifth bank picked clean by birds. Calls for an expert on birds. Personnel, I want the biggest bird brain we have at our headquarters.
You sent for me, number one?
McCool, the man behind these bird robberies and blackouts, is the owl.
How do you know that, number one?
A little birdie told me. It whispered right in my ear.
Obviously, a stool pigeon.
I want you to get him.
The stool pigeon?
No, the owl.
Right, number one. Just check it.
Riggs has devised some occupational aids for your assignment. You'll be disguised as a bird. First, a bird head fits over yours. A bird suit equipped with wings and feathers. Cool, real cool. An IFM ray gun evaporates feathers off a bird in a split second.
Hey, that's cool.
Also, a rocket belt. Button controls to make you go up, down, sideways, forward, and backward.
Gee, number one, this is real.
I know. Cool. Yeah, real cool, real cool. Good luck, McCool. Let me know when you reach the owl. And be careful, boy. He's tricky.
Don't worry, number one. Danger is my business.
Hey, don't press that button in here. Oh!
Sorry about that, number one. It won't happen again. Well, off we go. All right, quiet down, you birds. Tonight we clean out the Universal Independent Bank. Sparrows, crows, and yellow-bellied sapsuckers take care of the power lines. Rest of you birds, follow me. Hello, number one. Owl and group of birds headed for Universal Independent Bank. Yellow-bellied sapsuckers, crows, and sparrows headed for power lines. Instructions?
Follow the sapsucker group. Save the power line, then come to the bank. Big surprise for the owl.
Roger, out. So that's how they black out the city. Sit on power lines.
overload it, and blow out fuses, huh? I'll soon put a stop to this. Shoo, 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 birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Nice little birdies. Nice. All right, you birds. Stand back.
Get back there, McCool! Ooh, get him! Get him!
This ray gun will stop him. That's one owl at the end of his prow.
Well, you did it again, McCool.
Thanks, number one, but of course, danger is my business. You know, I finally figured out this rocket belt. You see this button here? Sorry, that won't happen again. Number one.